So you guys probably heard about this new craze called NFTs. And I'm going to show you guys how exactly you could get into getting NFTs, how to put your own NFTs up, and how to share your different wallets so that you can get NFTs from different people, including myself. Now, what you want to do is go to the website OpenSea. The link will be on the screen right now. And when you go to OpenSea, you also want to go Google or look up a wallet called MetaMask. MetaMask is one of the many wallets you can use. It's the one I use. You don't have to use this one, but this is the one that I use. And what you're going to do is just follow the on-screen instructions. Now, I don't want to show you exactly what to do because there's a lot of personal information that goes up, but you just follow the instructions and they're going to give you a series of codes. Do not share those codes with anyone because unlike other websites, it's not like losing a username or something like that. If this gets leaked out to anyone and someone else gets access to your account, well, the way MetaMask puts it, they can't help you. So if I were you, I would write this down, save it on a computer or something, but make sure you don't give out this secret phrase, and you'll know exactly what I'm talking about when you're filling it out. But once you come back, go back to OpenSea, create an account. You'll sign in with your wallet, which again will be the MetaMask wallet. And once you do that, you're in. And you can customize your account how you want to put up a picture or whatever, and you can begin to upload NFTs. Now I'll show you how to do that now. You basically go to create a collection, and then you create the NFT. You can put in MP3s, MP4s, and the many different files they allow, and you fill in everything you need and want when it comes to the information. Now, what I use is the Polygon method. I don't use the Ethereum. And with this, it's quicker. They say it uses no gas, which basically just means the fees are not as bad. So whenever you do make a sale, it's not going to charge you out the wazoo. So I will use that. And once it's created, then you can begin to share. And how you share is you need to get your wallet number. And each page, everyone's page on OpenSea, when you go to see their name, underneath will be their wallet. And OpenSea makes it very easy. You just click on the number and it copies it, and then you're able to paste it anywhere. And you can even trade cards, trade NFTs, trade whatever you want with people simply by having an NFT you created, creating as many NFTs as you want. You can make as many copies as you want, and you can give them out or you can sell them. Now, you can also receive them the same way. Someone could get your wallet and then they can pass things to you. That's why I'm making this video, because a lot of people want NFTs. They don't necessarily want to create them, but they don't know how to receive them. So once you make your wallet, you go to your account, click copy, then you're able to link that. And sadly, you can't link it in YouTube. So under this video, if you guys want an NFT from me, you're going to have to follow me on Twitter, and that is at Oni_Grimpachi. The Twitter name will be on the screen now. And this isn't some weird way to circumvent you to follow me on Twitter or something, although I do appreciate that. It really is just because YouTube, when you type in your wallet, it detects it as you type in gibberish. So it just deletes the message so no one sees it. So that's the way we do it now. There is a Discord link that I will provide as well in the description that you guys can come into. It is a Discord that I share with a friend of mine, and we pass out NFTs, and many people drop their wallets in there. So if you guys want an NFT, you can. But anyway, share this video. Thanks. And I hope you guys get on the OpenSea market, and I hope you guys join in on the NFT craze.